sorry. Say what you said again. Say it one more time. Go.
I said I'm...
Dice.
So why not?
What?
That was solid. That was a oneer. That's not a real trash can, Jeanette. Things are fake here. We got the plant job.
Back to one.
Try again.
Oh.
Don't cut. Oh my gosh. Again, I learned you can't wiggle-wobble. That's not my line.
Where?
That's my line.
What? I'm not talking.
Oh.
Thank you, sorry. Sorry.
Shoot. What is it? What do I say? You know what? It wasn't usable anyway. It sucks.
Always the last scene of the day. We won't let it happen. Let's get over it.
In here, Mrs. Benson.
I'm not your mother. I'm her mother.
That's right.
Mrs. Puckett.
Sorry.
Hey, Mom.
Way to blow it. Gee. It's like.
Sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yep.
How did this happen? You guys have... Sorry. Happen? It's so crazy. How did it happen?
Oh, what do they put in this lasagna to make it soft?
What? Well. I don't wish to overstay my welcome. Good night.
My hand stuck. Someone help me.
What is going on?
Let's really try and impress the big cheese on this take. Hey, you're doing a great job, Jerry. I literally can't see anything in these goggles.
No, what touch the nails?
How the show goes. We say stupid stuff, then do stupid... What?
What did you say?
Stupid stuff. I'm just... Sam and Freddie have been calling me like 10 times a day. Sorry. That was weird. Okay. I don't know what I just did.
So, what's this stunt you're supposed to be doing? Okay. Oh, it's just
Y'all couldn't get the heated water? Y'all gonna get the coldest water y'all can find.
What's happening? Ice cube that got stuck on your head. Very here.
This might be more fun with some cubes.
Hey, Doreen. Yeah. What are you doing?
Hi. We forget about this stupid kite. I don't know what to do. It's stuck. It's stuck to me.
I feel.
Whoa.
Sorry. I mean, I'm not gonna stop.
One more time. I wasn't even ready for it. Sorry, no.
On the paper! Thanks, they've lost their sis! Oh my god!